September 15th to 2020. This is the update. Naga, this one I'm keeping for seed. There are other nagas here. There's green pepper here, 4 of them. Took 3 off. There's one there. There's some more naga. This is there's the Mita Khodu, just waiting for it to get mature. There are Khodu here. There's late Khodu. This is the last of the summer. So there's few here, there's few up there. That's one there. One there, one here. One there, one here. There's one here, sorry. There's one there. Another one here. One in the background. There's one here somewhere. There is. There's one there. And there's one up here somewhere. Where is it gone? I think it's here. There's one there coming along. This one right at the end. There's loads of tomatoes. This tomato gone red. There's runner beans coming along. What's in the greenhouse? This is the Imli shag. This is a sisinda that we took off. We already had 3 sisinda from there. There's a zinga coming along. There's one here. There's another one somewhere behind. Another one behind. If I can see it, I can show it to you guys. I'll find it. So there's the green chili. That's the only green chili that we got this year. Coming along nicely. It's getting some nice flowers. There's some sisinda here. There's quite a lot. There's some here. There's one there. There's Luburi. It's few here, few here. Sisinda there. Look, there's Nagamoris there. There's loads more Nagamoris here. There's Lal Shak. There's my lemon tree. There's more Naga. There's a lemon tree there. There's another one here. There's loads more Naga there. There's a sisinda here. We're keeping it for seed. It's there. Look, it's there. Okay. Let's see what else. There's a Doogie. Blueberry Doogie. tomatoes, more cherry tomatoes, a grapevine, cherry tomatoes, plum, look, we got some uris. Uri, we're just now starting to get, we had few, not much. So uri there. So that's one zar, and there's another zar there. There's flower coming along. There's some more woody at the back. There's more tomatoes. This is a tezfata. Tomatoes. Another tezfata. It's a pear tree. Here's my grapevine from 2 years. There's a lemon. There's more naga. More uri, but had no flowers from these yet. Doubt we're gonna get any. Season's almost ending. It's September the 15th today. Probably another week or so we might get good weather. So lal shag, African naga, there's one gone red there. Butternut squash there, 1, 2, and there's one there. There's a little bit more here. There's a broccoli plant here. There's mula there. I think I've got one here. There's more uri, there's lai, there's more mula, and spinach. Lai coming along, there's more spinach. These are my compost. That's about it. Thank you.